Excuse me. Hi, can you help me? Where is the flour?
The flour? It is in aisle 5, next to the sugar.
Aisle 5, next to the sugar. Thank you so much. I need flour. I need 1 bag of all-purpose flour. Okay, here is the flour. 1 bag of flour. Let me check my shopping list. Oh, where is it? My list. Oh no, I lost it. I lost my shopping list. Where is it? It's not here. Okay, let me think. What do I need? I remember. I want to make a special dinner for Liam. I want to make crispy chicken salad. So, I have the flour. I use flour to make the chicken crispy. Now I need chicken. Let's go to the meat section. Where is the chicken? Hello? Can you help me? I want to buy some chicken.
Hello. Of course. What kind of chicken do you need today?
I want to make fried chicken for my salad. Which part is best for frying?
For a salad, the chicken breast is the best. It is easy to cut and very healthy.
Chicken breast? That sounds perfect. I want it to be very crispy.
Yes, chicken breast stays crispy and tastes great with vegetables.
Great! I will take 2 pieces of chicken breast. 1 for me and 1 for my roommate, Liam.
Here you go. 2 fresh chicken breasts.
Thank you so much. You are very kind. Okay, now I have the chicken. Let me think. What did I buy? I have the flour. And now I have the chicken. What else do I need? I remember. I need vegetables. Let's go to the vegetable section. I need many vegetables for my salad. I love vegetables. They are very healthy. First, lettuce. I need this green lettuce. This lettuce is very crunchy. It is perfect for a salad. You can also put lettuce in a burger. It's so good. Second, tomato. I need 3 red tomatoes. Tomatoes are sweet. I use tomatoes for my salad, but you can use tomatoes to make soup too. Tomato soup is delicious.
Third, cucumber. Look at this long green cucumber. I love cucumber. It is fresh. I cut the cucumber into small pieces for the salad. Some people put cucumber in a taco. It is very crispy. And last, onion. I need 1 small onion. I use onion for the salad. If you fry the onion, it becomes very sweet. I love fried onion in my burger.
I need many vegetables for my salad.
Okay, let me think again. Do I have everything? Flour. Yes, I have flour. Chicken. Yes, I have chicken. Vegetables. Yes, I have lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion. Okay, I will use the self-checkout machine. It is very fast. First, I press Start on the screen. Now I scan the items. Let's start with the flour. Beep! 1 bag of flour. I put the flour in the bag here. Next, the chicken. Beep! 2 pieces of chicken breast. Put the chicken in the bag. Now, the vegetables. I scan the lettuce, the tomato, the cucumber, and the onion. Beep, 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 beep. Many vegetables. They look so fresh. Now I press Pay. The total is $15. I use my card. I tap the card here. Ding! It is finished. I take my receipt. Always check your receipt. I have my chicken, my flour, and my vegetables. I have a big bowl at home. Let's go to the car. It is a beautiful day. The sun is shining. Here is my car. It is a small blue car. I open the back of the car. Now I lift the bags. Put the chicken and flour here. Put the vegetables here. I want the chicken to be very crispy. I am so excited. I sit in the car. I put on my seatbelt. Safety first. Let's drive home. I am thinking about dinner. I am planning to use my favorite bowl at home for the salad. Crispy chicken and fresh vegetables in a big bowl. Liam will be very happy. See you at my house. Okay, let me think again. Do I have everything? Flour. Let's cook. Is everything on the table? Let me check. I have the chicken and the flour. And here are the vegetables. Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion. I have a big bowl too. It is very deep. Deep means it can hold a lot of food. Oh, I have some cheese in the fridge. If I sprinkle some cheese, it will be very delicious. I will prepare the chicken. Cut it into small pieces and put it in the flour. The chicken will be very crispy. Let's cook.
Hi, Emma. It smells good. What are you making?
Hi, Liam. I'm making a crispy chicken salad. I'm making some for you, too.
Oh, thank you. How can I help?
I washed the vegetables. Can you cut them? I will fry the chicken.
Sure. But be careful. The oil is very hot.
Thank you for caring. You be careful too. Watch out for the knife. First, cut the chicken into pieces. Prep the seasoned flour. Add an egg and mix it well in this bowl. My secret is dip the chicken in cold water. Then in the flour again. This makes it very crispy. Now let's fry it.
Okay. I have the lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and onion. I will start cutting these vegetables now. I will cut them into small pieces. Emma loves lettuce, so I will cut a lot of lettuce for her. Wow, Emma, this looks amazing. The chicken is so crispy. You are a great cook.
Thank you. And you cut the vegetables perfectly. This salad is so fresh and delicious. Look, the cheese we added looks great.
I agree. I love this bowl of salad. Next time, I will cook for you. It's my turn.
That sounds great, Liam. I can't wait.